Hi, fourth grade, and welcome back to Math Mr. G. I'm here today for my students in the fourth grade at the Syracuse Academy of Citizenship. Today we're going to be going over for Mission 4, Lesson 3 on Zern, and we'll be dealing with perpendicular lines. Now is a really great time, if you haven't already, to grab a whiteboard, a marker, a pencil, or paper so we can practice these things together. Okay, so in front of us, we have our objective for today, which is to identify, define, and draw perpendicular lines. So we're going to do all of those things. So perpendicular is when two lines intersect. So that means that they cross. And they have to cross in a very specific way. And I'll draw that for you right now. So we'll have two lines, one coming this way, and then the other coming directly through the middle of it in a straight line like that. Okay? Because perpendicular, and we'll define that right now, perpendicular means two lines that intersect, which means to cross, at, well, we'll say, that create exactly 90-degree angles. Okay, so, and the way I'll know these are 90-degree angles is because they create that perfect corner. And I can even here draw in those squares that I showed you guys about yesterday with our angle lesson, like this. So I know that this is 90 degrees, which means that these are going through each other at exactly 90 degrees in every corner of this, making this completely square. It's almost like if you were to take a couple pieces of paper with their edges and put them up next to each other, it would create, in a way, some intersecting lines. And you can see intersecting lines in a lot of places around your life. You can see intersecting lines when you look at the bricks on a building. All of the lines of the mortar cross each other exactly at 90 degrees. You can see 90-degree intersecting lines in your windows as well. You can see them in the furniture. You can see them in a lot of things because 90-degree angles are what a lot of things we use are built with. This is to provide stability and a number of other things architecturally. But what you need to know is that perpendicular lines are when two lines that intersect, so they cross each other, they create exactly 90-degree angles. We'll be looking at different kinds of lines as we move forward, but today with perpendicular lines, this is all you need to know. If you're confused about what makes a 90-degree angle, please go back and look at my video from yesterday where I define the different kinds of angles that we have, obtuse, acute, and right, and what tells the difference between them. I look forward to seeing your work, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.